Morning guys!
Morning.
Today, in case you haven't noticed, we're going to put up the Christmas tree!
Yay! I've got my Christmas jumper on that Chris doesn't really understand. But is this not the best Christmas jumper you have ever seen in your life?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Chris isn't a big die-hard fan.
No, not really.
I am.
Natalie's making me wear this, by the way. And in case any think, it's not a Celtic Christmas hat, it's just
An elf.
an elf, basically. Yeah. So today we're just going to do a quick time lapse of us putting up the Christmas tree. We'll show you some of the ornaments. We got some ornaments from family as well.
Yay!
So we're going to show you them that we got.
We're one ornament down this year.
Oh yeah, hold on a wee second, I'll just show you this. Let's see. Excuse the mess in this corner because I saw the Christmas stuff, but we're an ornament down because I was trying to do a TikTok and I smashed it.
Imagine someone saying, don't do that with that one. It'll
Natalie
smash.
warned me. Actually, I've done a test run. Hold on, take this off, it's too warm.
That lasted.
Aye, it didn't last. Natalie warned me. What's happened? Oh my god, all in my everywhere, all in my baldy head. So Natalie warned me about it, and I rolled it in. Everything was fine, and then I pressed record and I chucked it in like a grenade, and it just smashed everywhere. So that wasn't very good. But this year we've got a new tree topper, haven't we?
We do. I'm very excited.
No, do we get a new tree topper every year, or did we have Jack for
Last
2
year
years?
we had Scary Teddy.
Alright, well, in case you can hear that, that'll be my mum phoning me. That's my watch just going off. We'll just ignore it.
We had Scary Teddy last year, we had Jack the year before.
Ah, that's right, Scary Teddy. So this year, we've got something new.
I think we had Boba Fett the year before Jack, but we didn't
Oh,
film
aye,
that
the
one.
Boba Fett mask, that's right, aye. So what we'll do is, we'll get started, and we'll show you all the individual things we've got, and our new tree topper at the end. And there we go, my mum stopped phoning me just as we're about to bloody go off camera, you know what I mean? So, right, okay, we're just going to set up and we're going to do the time lapse. So, we'll see you on the other side.
Yay!
So guys, that's our tree up, and we had a wee bit of a malfunction. See how you can see we've got sort of white lights through the red. Well, the middle white lights didn't actually work. But as you can see, still looks pretty good with it. It's not bad, isn't it? Right, we're going to run you through some of the ornaments that we had, and if you have watched past videos of us doing our Christmas one, you'll know most of the ornaments, but we're just going to take you and show you the new ones. Natalie's better at remembering what they are, but so we'll get this when this focuses. Get this cracking wee Fox and the Hound one.
I think that one's from Jenna and the girls from Christmas last year.
That's amazing, isn't it?
I love them, look at how cute they are.
Then we've got this other new one here, and this is from Jenna and the girls as well, isn't it?
I think so.
How cool is that?
I love reindeers so much, so he's playing them.
That's brilliant. Do we have any other new ones?
Those are our only new ones.
Oh, BB-8.
What I'll do is I'll put a link to last year's up when I'm explaining them all.
So you can see them all, but there's some cracking ones. This is our favourite Nightmare Before Christmas ones. Well, I say favourite, we've got a lot of favourite ones to be fair. They're cracking, aren't they? This wee one at the back, the wee bear.
Yeah, he is scary and he's supposed to make a noise, but I'll try when I try to plug it on. I was like, "What?" But listen.
Oh my god, what is up
Is
with
that
that?
not the stuff of
That's
nightmares?
weird. So then we come down, we've still got more Nightmare Before Christmas. As you can see, our theme is Nightmare Before Christmas. Some more Nightmare Before Christmas.
Zero.
Natalie's favourite character back here. Stitch. Where did we get Stitch from?
He's from the Disney store.
In Paris or up the town?
Just up the town. I think he's
Just up the town. We've got some Zero here as well. He's cracking. These Nightmare Before Christmas ones obviously came in the pack that you get for them at the Disney store. This one here is pretty interesting looking. Where did we get this one?
Your mum gave us that when we first moved in for our first Christmas.
I think it's like something you'd find out of like Annabelle or something like
It
that.
comes in its own wee box. I keep it in its wee box. I love it.
It's pretty cool. Ah, here we go. Natalie absolutely loves this one.
It's
And we got this from the Disney store. Oh, it's not focusing, hold on. We got this one for the Disney store in Braehead, didn't we?
yeah.
That one's cracking, look at that. Hey, what else we got? Oh, three little bears.
Yeah, they're from Brave. These we got from Disneyland Paris a few years ago.
Then we've got, I have to have Mickey and Minnie at Christmas, eh?
They were a Secret Santa gift one year, and I absolutely love them. They're wee bells.
They're cool. Mickey as well, got to stay close to Minnie, look after her. Have any other ones, is that us?
Sully's round the corner.
Oh, and Sully. Forget about Sully. He's just hiding here, away for the party. They're pretty cool. And as we said, we've got a new tree topper this year. What did we get, Nats?
Viggy Viggy.
How cool is he?
I love him. I don't know how he goes on, but we'll try.
We're going to do this live. So if Natalie gubs it up. How you getting on there?
Getting on great. I'm getting on great.
So this is just a wee wooden tree topper. Where did you get this one from?
eBay, I think.
Was it eBay? Was it not Etsy? No? EBay? We'll post a link in the description if you like it. Natalie will tell you who she got it from. You can obviously paint it in that. Well,
What?
that doesn't look
Skill.
too great. Sometime later we managed to get it. Like you can see that some of the trees poking through his eye, but I think that looks cracking, doesn't it?
I wanted to paint him glittery.
No, but we decided just to leave him like that because he looks pretty cool. I like him. And Natalie went all arts and crafty and made her own Jack Skeleton. Excuse all the art and all that behind it. We've not covered that up yet, but how cool, see?
I love him so much. I love how he turned out. So we got advent calendars this year from Hotel Chocolat. These are, this is mine. And I know I hate penguins, but it's fine because I get to eat them. Yay. But I'm excited for Tuesday so we can eat these.
My Hotel Chocolat advent calendar is caramel chocolate. How amazing is that? I mean, we're going fancy this year. This is the first year we've got something like this, but Hotel Chocolate's brilliant, isn't it? Look at all the wee guys you get. We get a Christmas tree. Is that a fat reindeer?
Yes.
We get Santa, a penguin. What's that? 5 days to go. What's the thing next to it? Is it like a swan or something? What is that?
Not
sure.
Angel maybe?
No, the angel's on the right. The thing next to 5 days to go, see it? What is it?
I think it's a swan.
Maybe a swan. So that's what I've got. Hotel Chocolat makes the best chocolate. Right guys, so that's us just put the Christmas tree up. Natalie's still got the odd wee bit to do just round the room, but we're going to just do that off a camera. We hope you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
I did. It looks so good.
I know, look at Iggy in the background there, you know what I mean? So Natalie will link last year's Christmas video, and we hope you enjoyed yourself, because we enjoyed us. So give us a big thumbs up and a subscribe please, because we noticed that quite a few of you aren't subscribed to watch videos, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.